Catherine Molloy, and I'm with M.A.D here. And you know what? So many people don't like Mondays.
I don't know why. Mondays are great.
I know. I love Mondays, and I love to make a difference at the start of the week for my week. So Matt, tell us who you are and what you do to make a difference.
My name is Matt. I'm an electrician. I live in sunny Brisbane. And on Mondays, I like to think of it as if it's Friday. So that it's, you got a good buzz, you got a good feeling, you go to work, you do what you do, wherever that may be, and honestly try and make someone smile who might look like they're having not so much of a good time. So that's what I do on Mondays to make a difference in my week.